everyone, today you're going to be learning how to do Changement de pied as a beginner. And today's video is sponsored by Energetics. Energetics is an Australian brand that makes amazing dancewear. I will leave the link for the website down below in the description of this video so you have a look. And now, let's get ready and let's get to it. Changement de pied in ballet, it's a jump in which the dancer is expected to jump in 5th position and change the position of the feet right before landing on the ground. For example, let's say that you have right leg in front, and when you do changement, you are expected to finish with left leg in front. Now, before you learn to do changement de pied, you need to learn to jump in 5th position, or you need to learn to do saute in 5th position. I will leave a link for you on how to learn to do saute in 1st, 2nd, and 5th position. Now, the next step to learn to do changement, you're going to the center. You're going to do 5th position of legs. You're going to have your right leg in front, hands on your hips. Next, you are expected to bend your knee, which is a demi-plie. You are going to push the floor, jump into the air while your toes are pointing, your legs are straightening, and hold the 5th position, and right before landing on the ground, you pass through a 1st position and end with left leg in front. Always make sure to land rolling through the feet, passing through the demi-point, so you ensure a soft landing. I like to tell to my students that imagine that you have a box of juice on your hand and you really love that juice and you keep squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. That's the same feeling that you need to have when we do changement. Imagine that your legs are going to and squeeze together. And one more time. And that's the feeling when doing changement. And now that you know how to do changement, why don't we do a combination so you can practice at home? We are going to do in a 5th position, right leg in front, arms umbrella. We are going to do 5, 6, 7 plie. We are going to do releve 1, demi-plie 2, changement, changement, battement tendu, change legs, and stay, plie 8. Releve 1, demi-plie 2, changement, changement, battement tendu, change to the back and stay. Now I'm going to do the exercise with music, but remember that if you need to practice the exercise before because you don't remember how to do it, pause the video, go back, review the exercise, and then join me with music. Now let's get ready. 5, 6, 7 plie, releve, plie, changement, changement, tendu, 5th position, 5, 6, 7 plie, releve, plie, changement, changement, stretch, battement tendu, close,